Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, you're welcome. My name is NIGERIAN Okra. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for always tuning in. And guys, today we are making this very delicious and pocket friendly Nigerian okra soup. So I got this fresh okra for 500 naira, and I already cleaned and cut off the head that I don't need in my soup. And for my pepper mix, I got it for 300 naira. And here is my goat meat and stockfish. The goat meat I got it for 1.5, and the stockfish I got it for 250 naira. So I seasoned with beef seasoning and salt. Then I added water to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So next I'll be chopping my okra, and guys, this is one very easy way to chop your okra. You just cut into 2 parts and then chop to your desired size. You can chop as many as your hand can carry at a time. So finally, this is what we got from our chopped okra. I divided my okra into 2 parts. I chopped some and I grated some. This is how the grated one looks like, which I did off camera. And guys, I think this is very cheap for 500 naira. What do you think? So next is our mackerel fish, which I got for 1,200 naira. I already washed this, but I will still have to clean this. So I'll just go ahead and slice this to the size I want. So 25 minutes later, let's check if our meat is ready. And guys, our meat and stockfish is well cooked. So I'll be adding my pepper mix, which is tatashe, shombo and atarodo. So next is my palm oil, and I have my palm oil at home, and I'll just cover to boil for about 5 minutes, and here is it. And I noticed my meat is already cooked. I don't want it to be overcooked, so I'll just bring out, set aside, then go ahead to add my fresh mackerel fish, also known as Titus fish. Next I will add my pounded crayfish, which I have at home. And after that, I added my iru. I got my iru for 200 naira. And guys, I so love iru in my okra soup. I love to add plenty iru. You can skip that part if you don't like iru, or you can just add the quantity you want to see in your soup. Next, I'm adding my deboned panla fish and dry prawn. I got my panla fish for 500 naira, and for the prawn, I have it at home. You can actually do without this prawn. You can just go with the fish. I bet you your okra soup will come out so well. So I added my seasoning, salt and meat broth, then covered to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. And guys, guess what? At this point, the aroma coming out from my kitchen was calling. Next, I'll be adding my grated okra. You can actually blend yours or pound yours. Anyone will go for this method. So I did this because I want a very slimy okra. And immediately you add this grated okra, just start stirring so it doesn't curdle. It doesn't curdle, so you just stir immediately and put on low heat. So guys, this is what our grated okra looks like after mixing. Very slimy, exactly the consistency we want for our okra. So I'll be adding my chopped okra and then mix. At this point, you don't want to cook your okra for so long. You just want to cook for like 5 to 7 minutes. You don't want to cook it. You don't want your okra to be overcooked. So I will just stir and then add my already cooked goat meat, and then stir, then leave to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, our delicious and pocket-friendly Nigerian okra soup is ready. So guys, what would you be enjoying this with, and would you want to try this recipe? So thanks for watching. Bye bye.